call that a drop spot. Number one, baby girl, you got the top spot.
Welcome beauties, it's Jamila Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today I'm doing a product review from a company called SO LUXE Cosmetics. So this would be sort of an unboxing video. SO LUXE sent me these two liquid eyeshadows. So the first color is So Necessary. And then the second color is So Worth It. And I think they're going to be really popping. So I'm going to try them out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Today's hairstyle is a sleek bun. And this bun look was inspired by Beyonce's backup dancers. That's who I think I am. I am obsessed with Ashley Everett. I love her. If you go to my Instagram, you'll see pictures with me and her or videos of her. With her or her with my sister. So I love her, and so that's why I did this look. And I've been really into the Beyonce Homecoming album, even though it came out like a month or two ago. I just, in my head, when I'm going to work, I believe and envision myself dancing backstage. That's a totally different story, but anyway, that's where I got this look from. Thank you so much to SO LUXE Cosmetics for these pretty eyeshadows. Anyways, guys, let's get into this video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
When you cause all this conversation, you know you that bitch when you cause all this conversation. You know you that bitch when you cause all this conversation.
Okay, so that was the first look. This second look, I'm gonna try to do something totally different. Trying the So Necessary next.